The Polydactyl Versio from Noise Engineering is a new way to transform your sound. With its stereo in, stereo out multiband dynamics processor that can be used on individual voices as well as your end-of-chain glue. And with its saturation knob, limiter, and noise gate, you have ultimate control over the color and dynamics of your sound. Since Polydactyl is part of the Versio platform, you can swap the firmware in this module to other Versio firmwares like reverb, delay, granular processing, and more for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you can be the first to know about new Versio firmwares and other gear from Noise Engineering. On the panel, you'll see two controls for each low, mid, and high band. The ceiling knobs change the level of the signal, creating more aggressive limiting when turned up. The room knobs are bipolar. Turning the knob to the left expands the signal. To the right, it compresses. The saturation knob is applied to both the individual bands and the master mix. The 4 LEDs show the levels of the low, mid, and high bands, as well as the sum or output level. The Hertz switch lets you change the frequency splits for the 3 bands, with 3 options to choose from. The cut switch is a noise gate. Set it to max for aggressive noise gating, sum for sum, and bypass the noise gate altogether with none. And the FSU button maxes out saturation and all dynamic controls when pressed, or when a high gate is sent to its input. The other 7 jacks are CV inputs for all 7 knobs, and at the bottom you have stereo inputs and stereo outputs. The left input signal is normal to both inputs if the right is not patched. Let's adjust the Polydactyl's controls with a single voice. Now let's send the entire mix through the Polydactyl as an end-of-chain processor to glue everything together. Since Polydactyl is a Versio module, you can swap to other Versio firmwares for free. Grab that micro USB cable and head over to our customer portal at portal.noiseengineering.us, and you'll be off with a different set of modular tools for your project in no time. While at noiseengineering.us, sign up for the newsletter, download our free plugins, and check out our other plugins for VST, AU, and AAX. We also have rack extensions for Reason.